quicker than anybody else this morning in qualifying. He was pretty close after that. Lawrence Anthony had a late run to take second place. Start. 8-lap race for the, an 8-lap race for the Super 6 saloons. Waiting for the door, Lawrence Anthony, bit of a little hair away as well. It was pretty lucky. Originally line number 50 and it's Coca. Then they look up the inside. And he's going to go through and take the lead down through Judy. Black flag out for Lawrence Anthony by Steve at Benenbrook. A couple of carries down for Christian at Benenbrook. Harvey's here, but once again still line astern for the big beast as they head up towards the McKissick curve. So we should see Lawrence Anthony coming this time for a drive through. Here they come into the hairpin once again. Someone there with a bit of a lock up and a dive up the inside, not too sure who that was, but it paid off. They got through, might have been Todd Sutherland. Here comes the leaders once again. Christie just not quite close enough to force a move down towards the front. Diving up the inside, David. My boy got back in the grid. Started from P7 up to third, so a good drive from Todd Sutherland. Here's Christie now, all over the back of Shannon Coker. Great lock up from Coker. Out of there for the last time. I don't think he's close enough to force a move. We've got the checkered flag out ready. Have a look around the outside. Going to have a look around the outside, side by side.